In this video, we are going to talk about the fastest way to make Clickbank affiliate commissions. Now, this is going to be a paid traffic source. It is not going to be anything that is free, but in order to make money fast, actually need to pay for paid traffic because that is quicker than free traffic. Free traffic does take a minute to actually start getting traction, but if you want to start making money as quickly as possible, it is best to start off with paid traffic. Now, if you are interested in seeing more affiliate marketing tutorials, whether it's Clickbank or other affiliate offers and other affiliate networks, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I drop new videos. And also go ahead and like this video before we even get started, just so this helps out the YouTube algorithm. And also it helps me to want to actually provide you with more free valuable content. If you like this video, it shows me that you guys do enjoy the content. Also, many of you have asked for either coaching or training from me, and I didn't have a training course or anything like that for affiliate marketing. I wasn't promoting my own course or consulting really, but I went ahead and decided to create this affiliate marketing training. So in this training, I'm going to be teaching how to do affiliate marketing, how to drive traffic with different traffic sources, free and paid. And it's not going to be just Clickbank offers. There are going to be offers from other affiliate networks as well. And I show you how to find different offers. So this is a full comprehensive training that also comes with live Q&A sessions. It also comes with group mentoring, all for one price, a low price actually. And we do have bonuses as well done for you. ClickFunnels pages, like I said, group mentoring, live Q&A sessions, and lifetime updates. Lots of people do not do group mentoring for the price that I'm charging, and they do not do live Q&A sessions monthly or consistently for their members. So since I am dedicated to helping people get results, I decided to go ahead and offer those as bonuses just so I can help you guys get results. So you can click the link down in the description if you are interested in getting this mentoring plus training from me. It is called Affiliate Beast, and it is actually on sale right now, and we will be closing the doors on March 9th. So you definitely want to get in right now to secure your spot. So what we're going to do is I am on the affiliate page for Talks. This is a Clickbank offer. And you can go to Clickbank and go to the health and fitness section and then click on their JV page inside of the description for that offer. And you'll be taken to this page. This is one of the highest, I think actually this is the highest converting offer in the health and fitness section. Over 500 people are making money with this offer. So we see right here, the Talks offer has a 569 gravity score. That means 569 people are making money with this product, and they're making $66.88 per sale. So the traffic source that I'm going to show you in this video is going to bring extremely targeted traffic to your offer, and you're going to be able to get people who are going to be interested in this offer very quickly to help you start making some commissions as soon as possible if you set this up correctly. So here, if we go back to their affiliate page, they have some information for us. They have different email swipes and things like that. They also have banners, and then they have some Facebook ad information for us as well. So they give us Facebook ad images right here. So we can use some of those images to actually create some Facebook ads. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So what we want to do is we're going to go over to Facebook. You want to make sure that you have a Facebook ad account. I recommend actually having the business manager. So how you get that is you go to business.facebook.com and you create an account using your personal Facebook profile, but it's going to be a business manager where you can create ad accounts for your business or for business purposes. So once you have done that, you want to also make sure that you have a fan page for your affiliate offer. So I'm not going to go over that in this video because creating fan pages or Facebook pages is super easy. There are videos all over YouTube on how to do that. I'm just going to get straight to the point on how to actually set up the ads. So what you want to do is you want to go back over to the affiliate page and you want to download the images for the ads. So you can use their images or you can go find some images yourself. But for right now, we're going to use their images that they provide us. So we're going to use this one here. I'm going to download this to the computer. Okay, so now we are going to go back to Facebook and we are going to click on create and we're going to click on traffic. We're going to drive traffic to our affiliate offer. Now, I do recommend that you have a landing page to drive traffic to instead of just direct linking to your Clickbank affiliate link, because you can possibly get your ad account shut down if you direct link to the offer, especially if it's not Facebook compliant. So you want to give the campaign a name for this. We're going to call it the Leptotox offer. I'm going to click on continue. Now, before you start promoting a product and driving traffic to the product, you want to make sure you know what the product is about. So this Leptotox offer is about targeting food cravings. So, and I believe it also is a detox. It also has appetite control and it's a weight loss supplement. So we're going to target people on our Facebook ads who are interested in weight loss. So you want to scroll down here to where it says audience and you want to start putting in your targeting information. So right here on locations, I usually like to start with either just the United States or we do the top 5 countries, which is the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. So you would put all 5 of those countries in here. Okay, so we have all of the top 5 countries here, or except the United Kingdom. I forgot the United Kingdom. Right here where it says people living in or recently in this location, you want to select people living in this location. So we only get the people in these countries and not people outside of the countries who may be just visiting the country or something like that. So now we want to go to the age group. So here, usually people who buy weight loss products are a little bit older. They're either in their mid 30s and older or early 40s and older. So we want to actually target, I'm going to say 35 and older. We'll stick with all genders for this one, since it's not geared towards just specifically men or women. Now for the detailed targeting, this is where you're going to put in the interest. So you're going to put in who you want to actually target. So if they're interested in like Jenny Craig or Weight Watchers, those are actually highly targeted interests because the people who are interested in those things are interested in losing weight and things like that. So we're going to type in some keywords that are going to help us find the right person to actually purchase this product from us. So we're going to type in weight loss, and this is going to actually give us some suggestions of different keywords that we can select here. So we want to select things like extreme weight loss. We can type in Jenny Craig, and you see right here it says employer. You don't want to select that one. You want to select the one that says interest. And if we hit suggestions, we're going to see more related targeting options like Beachbody. That's a program to help you lose weight. Slimming World. So right now we have about 4 different interests in our audience. The potential reach is 13 million people. So that's for right now. Once we do the actual placements down here, then we can actually see that audience get a little bit smaller. So if this is confusing to you or you need like broken down step-by-step training, I do teach Facebook ads in my new affiliate marketing course that I just mentioned before at the beginning of the video. I do teach the step-by-step on how to make sales with Clickbank and Facebook ads, as well as other affiliate products and then other traffic sources as well. So we just don't talk about Facebook ads, we talk about YouTube, solo ads, and other things. So you definitely want to check that out. So under placements, we want to uncheck the audience network, Instagram, and Messenger. So we only want it on Facebook. Now, since we are just doing an image, it's not going to be a video or anything like that. We're going to take off the video feed. Also the marketplace, we're going to take that off as well. Usually I like to take the right column off unless I am doing like retargeting or something. So initially we're going to have that unchecked as well. Facebook stories, you have to have a certain size image, and it's going to tell you right here what size images that you need. So the one we downloaded is like a landscape type of image, so it is not going to fit on this. So we're going to uncheck the stories. Also in stream, uncheck that. Search, uncheck that. Also in article, we're going to uncheck that as well. So now, as you can see, we have a reach of 8.2 million people right now. And then the daily reach is estimated to get all the way up to 7,000. Now, that's going to depend on your budget and other factors, but that's an estimate. So now our Facebook ad is going to be shown on the Facebook newsfeed on desktop and mobile. And that's it. So that's what we want to do to start testing out the offer in the audience. And then we'll do other things once we see that it's working. So the budget, this is on $20 a day. You can start off with as little as $5 a day. But I recommend starting off with at least $10 to $20 just so you can start getting traction a little bit quicker. Things go slow if you have like a $5 budget. It goes kind of slow. So we're going to keep it on $20 and then we are going to hit continue. And this is where we're going to actually set up the actual ad. So right here under create ad, you're going to make sure that single image or video is selected. Then we want to put in our primary text, also a headline and things like that. Before we do that, we want to actually add an image. So we're going to click on add image, and then we're going to add the image that we just downloaded. Okay, so we have the image that we just downloaded. I'm going to actually crop this image to make it fit. So they have a cropping tool. The square is usually for Instagram. Also, the horizontal, this one works best for the news feed. So we're going to use that one. Click on save. Okay, so now we're going to put in the text. So if we go back to the affiliate section, it kind of gives us some examples on what to put. So under headline, it gives us some information on what to kind of put for the headline to be Facebook compliant, because Facebook does have rules on the type of text and the type of wording that you use. So the one I'm going to use is this middle one right here. So they're not letting us copy it. So I'll just put crush food cravings with odd 5-second water hack. And also Facebook does not allow us to use trick. So we're not going to use trick. I was going to say, just change it to trick. But we're going to actually use hack, or we can actually use a different word than hack. So that is what we'll use for the headline. Let's go back to Facebook. The headline section is here. So we'll put odd. Actually, we're doing this one. So crush food cravings with odd 5-second water. So we'll go ahead and just use hack. So let's go ahead and put that in. Okay, so that's the headline. The headline is going to appear right here in gray. And then our primary text is what's going to come before the image. So I'll just put in some sample text here. Okay, so I put, did you know that you could get rid of all food cravings in 5 seconds? I should put with this hack, and then see how it works here. This is where you're going to put your link. So you'll put a link at the end, and then right here is where you're going to also put your link again. So when somebody clicks on this learn more button, it's going to take them to your landing page. So you can also change the call to action button where it says learn more. You can change it to different things by clicking right here. But I would keep it at learn more for this particular offer. So this is how the ad is going to look. You can actually just remove that space. So this is how it's going to look on the mobile news feed. And this is how it's going to look on desktop. So all you have to do after you have added everything is click on where it says at the bottom, confirm. Now I'm not going to do it because I have google.com in there and I don't want them to charge me to send traffic to Google. So that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to get the full training on how to run Facebook ads for affiliate offers, like I said, check out the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.